This is a Maytag dishwasher, model number MDB 8969 SDM3. Fairly new, we got it a couple months ago. The problem I'm having with it is a couple of things. First of all, one thing I don't particularly care for is that you can't see or really effectively access the control panel while it is closed. You can kind of peek up underneath the crack there. I guess they did that for looks, but I don't like it at all. Put the control pad right here. I mean, it's not that difficult. Why are you going to hide it in here where you can't even access it? Like I say, maybe it's for aesthetics, for looks or whatever, but I don't like that idea personally. Anyway, it's fairly middle of the road model. It's not a cheap model. It's not the most expensive model. It's supposed to be their quietest model, which it is pretty quiet. It runs really quiet. The problem I have is, okay, where we can see here, the latch is right there, and it should get right in there, which it does. But no matter how hard you push it, there's no click. But you can still turn the dishwasher on and run it. I mean, how do you know it's closed? My first question is, turn some light on here, is that the way it should be? My next question is, how the heck are you supposed to tell when it's closed? There's nothing. The next thing, it'll start, it'll run. We've been using it, like I say, a couple of months. Got this little thing here that says steam, and there is a lot of steam that comes out there even when it's, supposedly closed and running. So much, in fact, towards the end of the run, every time we got a big puddle of water on the floor down here. So the steam will come up here, run down the side, and just makes a huge mess. If anybody knows or has any experience similar to this, please let me know, because I'd like to find out what's wrong with this thing and see if I need to return it or this is just the way it is. Just the way it is. Just the last Maytag, I'll be fine.